Aldi's king kebab cooked pretty quick in an air fryer into some yummy kebabs. Let's get straight into this.
1 Pizza 2 ready, cooking and unboxing videos.
Welcome back to the channel everybody, and thanks for joining us. And today I'm going to be showing you how to cook an Aldi king kebab in your air fryer. And today I'm going to be using the Kasuri dual blaze. Obviously you can use whatever air fryer you've got, whether it be Ninja or another make. Same timings and things generally in these air fryers. So why am I doing a king kebab? Well, I thought, you know what, everyone during the week needs something that they can chuck in the air fryer but still have a really nice meal. And for $5.79 in our local Aldi anyway, these have just been reduced to $5.79. You can get a peri peri chicken king kebab, or you can get the butter chicken. I prefer the hot and spicy peri peri, and it is pretty spicy for those of you that like some heat. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to get one, I'm going to air fry it, we're going to see how it turns out. I've never cooked one in this particular Kasuri dual blaze before. And then we're going to make some kebabs. I've got some salad, things like that I'm going to chop up, and we're going to see what they're like in some nice little wraps. So yeah, so I'm going to move you in a little bit closer and we're going to get cracking. First things first, we have got the peri peri king kebab. Then I'm going to be serving that with some mini tortilla wraps. These are the small ones. Some grated cheese, you can use whatever cheese you want. I've got cheddar, I've got some iceberg lettuce because I like the crunch, I've got some cucumber, and I've got some mini vine tomatoes. Then sauce wise, I have got some mint yogurt, I've got some sweet chili sauce, got some smoky chipotle chili sauce, and I've also got your typical hot and spicy kebab sauce that you would get from a kebab shop. Then all I'm going to do is we're going to take this out of the packet. So I'll open it up, and I must say this does come frozen, and it does say to cook from frozen. You can defrost it obviously if you want the night before, but you can cook it from frozen. So this is frozen straight out of the freezer. Then all I'm going to do is pull the dual blaze drawer out. I'm going to sit this straight in the basket, and this does also fit in a dual zone air fryer as well, so it will fit in one of the drawers. I'm going to pop it in. I'm going to turn it on, and on this particular Kasuri, if you've joined me for previous videos and the unboxing of this is smart connected, so obviously it'll link to my phone and tell me what's happening. However, you've got different presets. So you've got chicken, that's at 200 degrees. Now, if I show you the packet does state from frozen this takes, in a fan oven, 1 hour 35 minutes, and from chilled about 60 minutes. Now, in my experience in an air fryer, that does reduce dramatically from frozen, and it normally takes about an hour. So obviously air frying will speed it up. However, what I'm going to do, it does say 200 degrees, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to knock this down to 180, and I'm going to pump the time up all the way up to 60 minutes. And what we're going to do, we are going to check this periodically to see how it's getting on, and I'm also going to do a bit of the prep for the salad to go in it. And I'm now going to press start. So we'll check on it in about 20 minutes time. Right, so we're now 38 minutes left of the hour, so 22 minutes in, and it's looking pretty good. So we'll stick it back in, check it after another 20 minutes. Right, we're 40 minutes in, so let's have a quick look, and it's still looking pretty good. So I'm just going to keep going for another 20 minutes. So it's ended, so let's pull this out and let's have a look. And it looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to probe it as well, just to make sure that obviously it's nice and hot and safe to eat. So I'll just pull this back a little bit and then you can see it a little bit better. So I've got a probe. Now if you don't have a probe, I'll put a link to this one. It's really cheap, it's about £6 on Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description below. But always good to make sure it's safe to eat. So we're going to have a look. So we're looking for 75 degrees or above. And it's not quite there, it's slowing down at about 62. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out and I'm just going to pop it back in. And I'm just going to put it on 180 for 10 minutes and we'll give it another blast just for another 10 minutes. Okay, so it's ended again, and let's have another look. Straight in the middle, and there we have it, 75.5 and still climbing, so we know that that is hot enough, and obviously that is degrees Celsius. So now we've got the chicken cooked, it is still a bit hot. I am just going to quickly chop up just a little bit of lettuce, just shred it nice and fine. I like it nice and fine. Okay, and then just a little bit of cucumber, and I am actually going to do the cucumber just in like a square, sort of centimetre square roughly. I like it when you can sprinkle it on instead of the old school slices. There we go. And then a couple of these nice fine tomatoes, sort of miniature tomatoes, cross between a tomato and a cherry tomato really. Let's slice these up. They are nice and soft actually, these. So I've got tomato, cucumber, and I've got lettuce. Obviously I've got some wraps. I have just warmed these up in the microwave just so they soften up. And then sauces, I've got these nice sauces as well. So let's move these up a bit, and then I'll get the chicken out. So it's smoking hot. I'm just pulling the sticks out, and then I'm just gonna run my knife through this, just so it's not in big chunks, just so that when we're building the kebab or kebabs, it's nice and easy to do. So next thing, we get one of these. Right then, what sauce am I going to go in with? Oh, I don't know yet. I'll come back to that bit. So I'm going to go a bit of lettuce, a little bit of cheese. Obviously cheese isn't a normal go-to on a kebab, I know, but I just love cheese. And then I'm going to go in with some of this kebab meat. It smells amazing, absolutely amazing. And then with a bit of tomato, a bit of cucumber, and then I'm going to go in with, I'm going to go first of all some classic kebab spicy sauce, and then a little bit of mint yogurt on top. There we go. So I'm going to make a few more of these and then we'll taste some. Right, what do we think? I think they don't look too bad, that. Right, first things first, let's have a little taste, shall we? I'm going to pick up the one, ooh, the one with the proper kebab sauce. Let's have a bite of that. Wow, that is pretty good, to be fair. It's got such a kick, this Peri Peri King Kebab from Aldi, and it's amazing for the price of it. The value was, you know, some 89p wraps, a little bit of salad, sauce that I've already got in the fridge, and a bit of cheese. I think it's a great midweek tea. Even better, not much cleaning up in the air fryer because it's all done in the pot as well. Let me know if you have air fried one of these king kebabs. What are your favourite things to do with it? Do you put it in a curry? Do you do it as a kebab like I've done, or some tacos? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure you head over to Ninja Foodie World, the Facebook page that I run. Come and join us, not just for Ninja fans, anyone with an air fryer. We've got loads of hints, tips, and a growing community of people. And obviously make sure you are hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Anyway, till next time everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.
One pizza too many.